Want to turn a small corner of your home into a money-making mini factory? In this video, I'm showing you 21 amazing machines you can run at home to start your own business, even if you've never manufactured anything before. Stick around because some of these ideas are so unusual, you won't believe they can make real money. 1. Dry ice maker. Ever wished you could keep things frozen without the mess of regular ice? That's where a dry ice maker comes in. These machines turn CO2 gas into solid dry ice pellets or blocks, perfect for shipping frozen goods, creating dramatic effects at parties, or even for science experiments. Imagine being the person businesses call when they need ice that doesn't melt. It's simple to use. Attach a CO2 cylinder, push a button, and watch the magic happen. The best part is the business potential. Entry-level machines start around $600, which isn't too steep when you consider how much dry ice companies, event organizers, and labs are willing to pay. With just a small corner in your home, you could start supplying local businesses or party planners. It's a product that literally cools while heating up your profits. 2. Commercial donut machine. Who can resist fresh, hot donuts? A small commercial donut machine makes it possible to produce dozens of golden treats every hour with almost zero hassle. The machine drops batter into hot oil, fries them to perfection, and before you know it, you've got a tray full of delicious donuts ready for glazing or filling. Starting a donut business doesn't require a huge budget either. Machines typically cost between $500 to $800, making it easy for someone to start from their own kitchen or a small stall. Farmers markets, local events, or even office catering are great ways to sell. Every bite of a perfectly cooked donut can turn a passerby into a loyal customer. 3. Bubble machine for events. Imagine turning an ordinary backyard party into a magical wonderland, bubbles floating everywhere, sparkling in the sunlight. That's the magic of a bubble machine. It's ridiculously easy to operate. Fill it with bubble solution, flip the switch, and watch a cascade of bubbles drift across the room. Event planners and parents love renting them for birthdays, weddings, or outdoor celebrations. And here's the kicker. Bubble machines are affordable, starting around $200 to $700, so just 1 or 2 gigs can easily cover your investment. This is one of those fun, low-stress machines that can bring smiles and cash right into your home business. 4. Manual edge banding machine. Ever notice unfinished edges on DIY furniture and thought, that could look so much better? That's exactly what a manual edge banding machine fixes. It applies a thin strip of veneer or tape over raw plywood edges, giving your furniture a polished, professional finish. These machines are surprisingly accessible, starting around $500 to $900. With one on your workbench, you could offer edge finishing services to local woodworkers, hobbyists, or small furniture shops. It's a practical way to add value to a common product, and customers love the smooth, flawless look. 5. Vacuum casting machine. For anyone into custom jewelry or small parts manufacturing, a vacuum casting machine is a game changer. It pulls molten metal or resin into every tiny corner of a mold, eliminating air bubbles and imperfections. That means the final product comes out smooth and flawless every single time. Entry-level machines are affordable, starting around $300 to $600, which makes them perfect for home-based businesses. You could launch your own jewelry line or offer casting services to others in your area. Just melt, pour, and let the vacuum handle the precision. It's like having a mini industrial lab in your garage. 6. Jewelry drum polishing machine. Nothing sells jewelry like a brilliant shine. A jewelry drum polisher lets you take raw or handmade pieces and turn them into gleaming, professional-looking products. Just put your items in the barrel with polishing grit, switch it on, and let it gently tumble until they're smooth and shiny. The best part? These machines are inexpensive. Many cost between $70 to $150, so even hobbyists can justify the purchase. For a small jewelry business, this could quickly pay for itself. Polished rings, bracelets, and stones don't just look good, they sell faster. And customers keep coming back for that perfect finish. 7. Ribbon printing machine. Custom ribbons have a way of making gifts, events, and products feel extra special. A ribbon printing machine lets you imprint logos, names, or designs onto satin, nylon, or grosgrain ribbon, instantly upgrading packaging or party favors. Semi-automatic models are compact and cost around $120 to $150, which is ideal for home use. You can sell custom ribbons to event planners, small businesses, or on platforms like Etsy. Seasonal or personalized products are especially popular, and this machine opens the door to a lot of creative possibilities. 8. Ice cream machine. Ice cream is a timeless treat, loved by kids and adults alike. With a small countertop ice cream machine, you can make soft serve or scoopable ice cream right at home, in small batches. It's fast, fun, and people will line up for it. Entry-level commercial models start around $700, and some high-end options go up to $4,500 with extra features like dual flavors or automatic cleaning. With a little setup, you could sell at events, set up a cart at local markets, or offer custom flavors for parties. Ice cream is a crowd pleaser that keeps people coming back, especially in warmer months. 9. Desktop injection molding machine. Plastic is everywhere, and now you can produce small plastic parts from home. A desktop injection molding machine melts plastic pellets and injects them into custom molds, producing items like keychains, phone holders, or specialized parts. These machines used to be expensive and industrial scale, but now you can get a quality desktop unit for under $7,000. Whether you're producing products for sale or offering molding services to small businesses, this machine lets you create custom items on demand, right from your home workshop. 10. Embroidery machine. Personalized apparel is always in demand, and an embroidery machine brings your designs to life. Upload a digital pattern, hoop the fabric, and the machine stitches your logo, monogram, or artwork automatically. You don't need to be an expert sewer to get started. Home embroidery machines cost around $1,000 to $5,000, depending on features. Even a basic model can handle patches, monograms, and small orders. As your business grows, you can upgrade to multi-needle commercial machines for faster production and more complex designs. Custom embroidery is perfect for gifts, corporate items, or local school and team orders. 11. Pet food pellet machine. Pet owners love their animals and are willing to spend on healthy, specialty food. A pet food pellet machine lets you create your own small batch kibble at home. Mix grains, proteins, vitamins, and other ingredients, then feed the blend into the machine. It compresses the mix into bite-sized pellets that can be dried and packaged. Small-scale models start under $1,000, making it accessible for home entrepreneurs. You could sell directly to local pet shops, vets, or even at farmers markets. Custom, additive-free, or breed-specific diets are highly sought after, and with careful marketing, your small home setup could grow into a trusted local brand. 12. Fog machine. Nothing sets the mood like a cloud of dramatic fog. Fog machines are staples for weddings, Halloween displays, DJ events, or theater productions. They're easy to use. Pour in fog fluid, plug in, warm it up, and flip the switch to fill a space with mist. Compact units cost between $80 to $250 and can be rented or sold as part of an event service. A single rental can often cover the machine's cost. Pair it with lights or speakers and suddenly, you're offering a full sensory experience. Cleanup and maintenance are essential, but the quick return on investment makes it a fantastic home business tool. 13. Cup sealing machine. Ever notice how bubble tea and iced coffee come with that perfect, spill-proof seal? That's a cup sealing machine at work. It heat seals plastic over cups, giving drinks a professional and hygienic finish. Machines start under $500 and can seal hundreds of cups per hour. This is perfect for home-based smoothie or bubble tea businesses, event catering, or custom-branded drink services. While higher volumes make it more profitable, it's a simple, professional touch that customers love. 14. Roofing machine. If you have some space and a bigger budget, a roofing machine can be a serious moneymaker. It shapes metal sheets into precise roofing panels for homes, barns, or sheds. Small contractors and homeowners often need custom panels quickly, which makes this service valuable. Smaller roll-forming machines cost between $5,000 to $9,000. With one, you can offer made-to-order panels with delivery or installation, partnering with local builders or hardware stores. Keep in mind, these machines are large and noisy, so proper storage and workspace are essential. The potential profits, however, are well worth it. 15. Cement block machine. Cement blocks are essential for construction, and demand never stops. With a small cement block machine, you can produce high-quality blocks from sand, cement, and water right from your garage or backyard. Most semi-automatic machines are simple to operate. Load the mix, hit a button or pull a lever, and out pops a uniform block. Affordable models range from $680 to $1,900, making it realistic for home-based entrepreneurs. Sell directly to masons or small contractors, and you'll have a steady stream of local clients. 16. Tufting Gun Custom Rugs. Tufting guns are all the rage on TikTok, Instagram, and Etsy. These handheld tools shoot yarn through stretched fabric, letting you create thick, colorful rugs with custom designs, names, or characters. Starter kits cost $150 to $250 and include the gun, frame, and yarn. You can work from a garage, spare room, or craft corner, producing personalized rugs for Etsy or commissioned orders. Time-lapse videos of your work can also attract online audiences. It takes practice, but once mastered, it's a highly creative and profitable home business. 17. Plastic shredder. If sustainability excites you, a plastic shredder could be your ideal home machine. It chops bottles, containers, or packaging into small flakes for resale or reuse in new products, like tiles or 3D printing filament. Garage-sized shredders cost $1,000 to $1,500 and fit comfortably in a home workshop. You can offer shredding services to local schools or businesses, or start a recycled product line using your flakes. Sorting plastics and proper ventilation are key, but it's a powerful way to combine eco-friendly practices with entrepreneurship. 18. Commercial slushy machine. Slushies are always a hit, especially in hot weather. A commercial slushy machine keeps drinks icy and perfectly mixed, letting you serve frozen beverages like lemonade, cola, or cocktails in high volume. Dual-tank models run $900 to $1,200 and are ideal for events, cafes, or renting for parties. Offer adult cocktail versions for private events, and you can charge premium prices. Regular cleaning is essential, but with consistent use, this machine can be a sweet and icy moneymaker for your home business. 19. Glass bottle cutter. Upcycling bottles is trendy and profitable. A glass bottle cutter lets you transform empty bottles into cups, candle holders, or decorative light fixtures. Manual cutters cost as little as $10 to $30, making this a low-cost, creative home business. You can sell bundled sets like candle holders with tea lights or engraved glasses for weddings. Safety is critical. Always use gloves, goggles, and practice patience. With some creativity, this simple tool can turn trash into cash while appealing to eco-conscious customers. 20. Potato spiral machine. Remember those spiral-cut potatoes at carnivals? You can make them too. A potato spiral machine slices potatoes into perfect twists that you can season and fry for a fun, eye-catching snack. Manual machines start at $100, while electric models cost $400 to $500. Great for catering, food trucks, or local events. You can even sell kits with different seasoning blends. The key to success is regular events or selling in volume, but when done right, it's a crunchy, profitable home business. 21. Corn sheller machine. Removing corn kernels by hand is slow work. A small corn sheller makes the process quick and efficient, popping kernels off dried cobs in seconds. Manual models start around $50 to $80, while electric versions cost $350 to $500. Perfect for small farms, homesteaders, or anyone producing cornmeal or livestock feed. You can also sell fresh milled corn or shelling services locally. Just make sure your corn is dry and mature. Wet cobs won't work well.